job. So we are trying Call of Duty now. Low graphics settings, ultra frame rate. There's a little question mark you press there. 90 FPS we should be getting when we start the game. So let's have a go at this. I'm not going to have the cooler on the back because I'll measure the temperature after I finish playing. I'm going to put these triggers on here. There we go, look, so that's all working. Oh yeah, let's have a look at the FPS. Oh. So there we go, 89 FPS. So that's native, 90 FPS. Let's turn on the ultra frame rate. And there we go, so ultra 120 FPS upscale. Okay, let's see. Let's have a look.
Get down, sniper! Sniper down. Targets in sight. Tango down. Targets in sight. Enemy contact! Recon ready for deployment. Target down. Killer drone on standby. Hunter killer drone deployed. Enemy contact. I got shot. Contact with enemy. Enemy changing mag. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment.
Yeah, these triggers are
Get
brilliant.
down, sniper. Sniper eliminated. On standby. New ability.
So gameplay is really smooth.
Enemy in sight.
I think it obviously really helps as well that gorgeous 144 Hz refresh rate as well on the display. Wow.
Enemy down. Targets in sight. UAV online. Reloading.
Beautiful.
Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. Standby. Enemy in sight. Sniper.
Go. Native 59 FPS and the upscale ultra 120. You can see the CPU and GPU usage there. Brilliant. High notifications is still on, so there's no notifications coming through.
Enemy
It's all good.
contact.
You can also bypass charging as well. I'm going to get killed here, aren't I? Charging thresholds, if you're charging at the same time, you can limit the charging power so the phone doesn't overheat. Victory! There we go. Let's quickly come out of that and do a temperature test. So on the back there, look, 34 degrees on the back of the phone. Remember with the cooler on, it was down to about 15 degrees. If we go on to even to the RGB or the lights, if we get it all in focus, 34 around the lights as well, 34.8, 34.9. So the cooler definitely does a job in cooling the phone.